Hey, good morning. And today I want to use the Google Colab VS Code extension to do some Nano Banana examples in a Jupyter Notebook. So these Nano Banana examples are in Python. I found them on this dev.to blog post that Patrick wrote. These examples are not written for Jupyter Notebook because pit install should have an exclamation mark in front, and the sample code attempt to save the file in a local folder. Normally, people will install matplotlib, right, and then display the image in a cell in the notebook. I want to recreate these examples in Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. So let's follow me. First, let's open my VS Code and press Shift Command P to create a new Jupyter Notebook. And select kernel. I click Python environments and select Python 3.12.8 because this is the latest Python version on my laptop. And then follow the example here. Install google-genai Python SDK. Okay. Oh, sorry, not. Oh, percentage, not exclamation mark. So I misspoke. My apology. So next, percent pit install pillow, and next I pit install matplotlib, so I can open and display an image in a cell and run. So installed. So let me enter Shift Command P and choose Jupyter restart kernel to restart the kernel. Okay, looks good. Next, import Gen AI from Google, image from PIL, bytes.io from IO, and I also want to import pyplot from matplotlib, and the alias of pyplot is plt. So okay. Next, create a Gen AI client. So let me add a new cell. I don't know how to store a secret key in a Jupyter Notebook, and I know how to do it in an Angular app or in a Node.js program by storing confidential API key in a .env file. In the context of Jupyter Notebook running inside VS Code, I have no idea. So I am going to do a very, very terrible thing by hardcoding the value in the notebook. I will delete this API key after recording the video, so don't worry about it. So create a Gen AI client. Create a simple prompt. The prompt is create a photorealistic image of an orange cat with a green eye sitting on a couch. Okay, and I want to extract the model name in a model constant. It will be reused later, so okay. After I get the response, I run this loop to get either a text or a image. And I want to go to this Colab to copy the code that display the image. So display the image in a cell. Okay. Oh, sorry, inside the else if image. Comment out image.save cat.png. Hide the access, I think, and show the image. So let's run it. Yes, I get the cat. I want to clear all output and run all the cell again. Yeah, this time the output is different. This time I get a text, which is sure, here's your image. And then I get an image, this beautiful cat. And then this cat image is displayed in a cell. So I completed the first like Nano Banana example in Python successfully. So next I want to show some new features of Nano Banana. So one of the new features is image only output. So we will only see the image of a cat and not the text such as sure here is your image. And the change is very simple. We add a new configuration object to client.models.generate underscore content call. And in the config object, we provide response modalities and an array with one value, which is an image. So let's do that. So let's create a new cell and reuse the prompt, the client, the model. So let's make a new response call. So image only output and copy the config object here to okay, we get a response. So now we get the parts and no need to check part.test. So we check part.inline.text is not none and display the image. Let's see. And run. This is the cat. And yep, we get no text. We should always get one image, so maybe we don't even need the for loop. So I can have part equals response 0 and This part is not none, and then we get an image. Yeah, we get image only in this code. So that's the end of example 2. So example 3 is to generate images using different aspect ratio. In here, there are some values to choose from, like 1 to 1, 2 to 3, 3 to 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 3, 4 to 5, 5 to 4, 9 to 16, 16 to 9, and 21 to 9. I want to try all the ratios, like all the aspect ratio, and look at like the images that Nano Banana produce for me. So first I create an array of maybe aspect ratios, and then in the for loop I get the ratio. I pass the model, the prompt, and a configuration object. I only want image. So the response modalities of property is an array with a single value image, and then I provide an image config property, and it is an object, and the key is aspect ratio, and the ratio is the value of the loop. After getting the response, I get the first inline part, and if the inline part is not none, and the inline data is not none, I print the current ratio and show the image. So let's see. I click the execute cell and below. 1 to 1, okay. So I get my first image back. 2 to 3, pretty. Aspect ratio 3 to 2. Wow, the image is wider. 3 to 4, okay. 4 to 3. 4 to 5. 5 to 4. 9 to 16. 16 to 9. And the last one, 21 to 9. So I have a lot of cat pictures. I'm happy. So this is the end of example number 3, where I asked Nano Banana to create images using a different aspect ratio. Okay, I'm going to do my last Nano Banana example, which is conversational image editing. So I create a chat. I pass the original image and my prompt to refine the image iteratively. So I use the natural language to give my commands to Nano Banana to create the image that I desire. So first I use the Gen AI client and call the Nano Banana to create a cat image for me. Store the image bytes into an image variable and display it. So this is my cat. I want a different cat. Okay. Then I want to change this cat to a different breed. So change the cat to a Bengal cat. Leave everything else the same. So this is the chat. I use the same model. Pass the same image and a different prompt. So let's get a Bengal cat. Okay. So next, I send uh, another message to the chat. So the cat should wear a funny party hat, and the image is image 2 and not image 1. So I want to have a funny party hat on this Bengal cat. So let's do that. Oh, cool. So now the cat is wearing a hat, and let's. I don't know. I want to add another thing accessory to the cat. So the cat should wear a shade, so he looks like a real bad boss. So 4 and the picture looks really good. I want to save it. So save the image and change it to output 2, and then go to my desktop and open, and voila, my cat. So this is the end of my demo, and it's very convenient to write a Colab in VS Code. Well, one problem I have is not able to store the confidential API key in an environment file and then access it with 1 or 2 lines of code. But other than that, everything is good, and I need to delete this key now, so no one can use it to call Nano Banana to generate images. So thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.